let's take a look at the new update they're gonna release. So they introduced the modern warfare, modern units in version 5.0 for server that have been up to for at least 180 days. So 3.2 star units can be upgraded to modern units, and medium heavy tanks will updated to main battle tanks. Tank hunters will be updated to helicopter gunships. To upgrade your units to modern units, you need to go to the prototype tab. Promoting a unit into modern unit require activating its prototype using a new resource called prototype pieces, and it can be earned through a prototype research theater. Helicopter, so tank hunter will become helicopter after its upgrade, and it can travel through mountains and rivers. Light tanks will be able to attack both air and ground unit at the same time, and rocket launchers will launch will have AOE effect on the unit attacks nearby. Up to 6 units all around. So one grid away from the main enemy unit it's attacking, and super heavy tanks will become like a heavy armored cannon thing, and all units can be promoted to modern units. So I think including fighters and bombers too. And there will be new skins, avatars released again in September. Percy's Showroom event, and there will be new unit skin too. So this is like the super. I think this is the super heavy tank skin. It gives additional buff to that specific unit. It all comes out in September, and the new alliance technology. I think there are 2 additional alliance technology will be unlocked. So it gives buffs to you to friendly units in the alliance territories, and you can see this is the unit skin. So currently they have the Liberty artillery. So they have blue fancy. It gives additional 5% of 5% firepower to Liberty artillery, and we have super heavy tank skin here. It gives durability buffs to him, and it gives equipped utility. Owning a legendary unit skin can be equipped by 5 7.2 star units. Modern unit skins can be equipped by 8 9.2 star units. Owning a legacy unit skin will automatically unlock its corresponding modern counterpart. When promoting a unit from 5 to 7 to 7.2 stars and 8.0 to 9.2, its pairs will change. These are the new upgraded. These are all like modern units. These are all modern units from all camps. You can see like all units has its like modern.
Honestly, we can beat the enemy easily, but we can't solve our own problems.
Bombers, fighters, anti-tank guns.
Senor?
Main battle tank. prototype equipment. So it requires 8 Vanguard. So you have, first of all, you have to have 7.2 unit. Then you can upgrade into modern. Oh my god! You see, then you can upgrade to like 7 to 8.0 to 8.2. Actually, oh god. So all the way to 9.2, all you need is the fragments, is the prototype fragments, prototype blueprints to upgrade them. It's pretty cool to me because this has always been a World War II game, and I've never so modern unit prototypes are now available. You can collect prototype pieces for each camp through prototype research, which can be used to upgrade prototypes of corresponding camp units. Prototype search is divided into camp prototype search and universal prototype search. Camp prototype search allows you to gain prototype pieces for a specific camp, which changes daily. Camp prototype research guarantee you will receive prototype pieces for that camp. Universal, it's pretty much like the coupon, how coupon works, isn't it? Universal. So Liberty, okay, yeah, this is like this. It's even using coupons too. It's even using universal and camp coupons. Let's check out the skin now. It's pretty cool to me. Like they're doing this modern unit upgrade thing. This always has been a World War II game, right, guys? So Glorious Coliseum. Tank durability plus 5% durability of all troops plus 10%. It's pretty cool. Looks like an arena. So they're releasing new skins, right? So there will be new skin sets buff too. Let's check it out. These we've all covered. Jungle event. Yeah, this we've all covered. Right now, they haven't released the new skin sets buff for this specific skin. But this skin itself is pretty good. It gives like a lot of tank durabilities and all of the durabilities buffs. Firepower. This looks like the new Alliance tag. Yeah, Trooper. This is the new Alliance tag they're gonna release. So there increases.
I can drink from their skulls.
It increases like the damage and the durabilities of the units. Trooper damage buff in Alliance territory. Trooper damage buff in Alliance territory. Yeah. So they're trying to make like more advantage fights for the defending side. Because for now there ain't really much of a difference for the attack side, for like between defense side and the attack side, right? And this gives like, so this is like this is a new passive skill. So it reduces the I think it said it reduces burning speed. And this part it increases damage resistance. Well, it's in Alliance territory. Easy to defend. Yeah, defend. So damage resistance. Damage resistance. Just all damage resistance in different camps. Troop damage resistant buffs in Alliance territory overall. 5%. Up to 5%. Damage buff. So it's like damage buff. Up to 5% too. It's pretty good. So I think it's interesting they're adding more buffs to the defensive side, eh? It's pretty interesting because I think it needs more strategic depth for this game. It's like the defense side should have more advantage so that they can hold the enemy's advancement at some point, so they can arrange counterattacks. It makes the fight more interesting, right? Because you don't want to see like you don't want to see an alliance just pushing all the way through. You want to see like an alliance push probably like a couple of territories, and then stopped by the other side, and the other side starts counterattacking. It's more fun, isn't it? I think this is all we have for now. Thank you for watching.